Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a DIY kit from the brand Indus Valley. So this is the Indus Valley Bio-Organic Do-It-Yourself Kit. This is basically a skin moisturizing serum pack. Indus Valley has 26 DIY kits. Some are for your hair, some are for your skin, and some are for basic relaxation. So this is one of the 26 kits. Like, this is a serum, and this has 30 ml of rose water, 50 ml of aloe vera gel, and 5 ml of tea tree essential oil. Also, I would like to mention the products of this brand Indus Valley are cruelty free, and they are vegan, and they are tested for non-allergy certification. So let's see upon opening. So basically you have to mix these ingredients together and make a serum of your own, which is really good. I think there is something really exciting about DIYs because you are creating your own serum or oil or whatever. So there is some kind of an excitement in serum, in DIYs. Yeah. Okay, so inside this packaging you will get the products, and also you will get a recipe book. This feels like I'm about to cook something. Okay, so inside this recipe book you can see the 26 kits they have. Alright, so let's turn to page number 25. Yeah, so this is the page number 25, and this has the recipe. Okay, once again, this has an aloe vera gel, and this is the rose water, and this is the tea tree oil. So let's just read the recipe and do accordingly. So the recipe is: take a small dab of aloe vera gel, 2 drops of rose water, and 1 drop of tea tree oil in a small bowl. Mix them well and apply on your skin. Always use freshly made mixture and discard the leftover mixture after use. Okay, so even if something is left, I'll have to discard it. I cannot use it tomorrow. So that is good. That, like they mentioned, like you're not supposed to use it again. So good. Okay, so I'll take this aloe vera gel first of all. Oh, this has a nice fragrance. Okay, so this is the bowl, and I'll just take a little bit. I'll take a little more. So this is the aloe vera gel, and now just 2 drops of rose water. 2 drops of rose water. I'll just stir this up a little bit. Oh, this has a nice fragrance. Now just 1 drop of tea tree oil. Always remember, like, tea tree oil is an essential oil, and you're not supposed to apply this directly on your skin ever. Always either mix this with aloe vera gel, or the way I'm doing, or you can mix this tea tree oil with your cream or your any lotion, but never apply this directly on your skin. This can cause damage. So yeah. Oh, it has a nice fragrance. Alright, just 1 drop, huh? Okay, you saw that, right? Yeah, it's inside now. 1 drop. I can smell it. If they are saying 1 drop, just apply 1 drop. Do not exceed anything. So this is how the serum looks like. This is the one we have made. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Okay, this has this tea tree oil, aloe vera gel, and everything mixed kind of a fragrance. This aloe vera gel also has lemon, green tea extract, honey, and wheat germ oil, etc. So this aloe vera gel is not just aloe vera gel. This has a lot of good things. Okay, so after mixing it, you have to apply it on your skin. So I'll just remove my makeup and I'll apply this on my skin, and I'll show you. So I have removed my makeup, I have washed my face. So let's quickly apply this serum. I'm so excited. Okay. You know, this has this very nice and faint fragrance of tea tree oil, and it's feeling so good. I have applied. I don't have a mirror nearby. That's the problem. You know, this is very good for people with dry skin, because as winters are here, and now you will be needing something to give your skin that extra moisture, and I think tea tree oil is one of the best options. Yeah, no irritation, nothing, no redness or anything. So never forget your neck. I took the quantity which is given in the recipe, and this much serum is still left, if you can see. You can apply it on your hands as well, so I'll be doing that as also. I'll be applying it on my hands also. Yep. Yeah, so this much serum is left. Probably I'll give this to my mother. Yeah, she'll also apply this. Okay. Yeah, but I think my skin is feeling really soft and nice and no redness or anything, so this is really good. I think you can invest in this for 273 rupees. You'll be getting almost 50 applications if you are using the recipe which is mentioned, or you can mix and match yourself and make a serum of your own. As I told you, the products are natural, they are organic. This is very safe, and also after applying the serum, my skin was actually feeling very nice and fresh. And also tea tree oil is very good for your skin. If you have acne prone skin, tea tree oil will help in getting rid of that. So tea tree oil is very good. So I think you should invest in this. I'll put the link in the description box in case you want to purchase this. It will be easier for you to find. And also I'll put the link of this website of Indus Valley. So there are like 26 serum DIY kits. They are for hair also. You can check them and you can buy these. Price is very nominal, I suppose. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description box. Do have a look. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.